at, well, welcome to the vlog. This is gonna be a new vlog. So hey y'all, we are looking at cars because it's time for new cars.
Yeah, it is for both of us.
That Benz is nice. Hope y'all can see.
All of them. Look at them BMWs over there.
I like the BMW trucks. The like the actual car BMWs, they just, they're nice. They're just too small in the inside.
Yeah.
This is that Kia Stinger. I was looking at the Kia K5. They got a lot of different.
They got a lot of snakes here. That's all the trucks. Have you ever thought about getting a truck?
Not nothing like this. That's too big, but I would get a truck though.
I would get a BMW, but they're just so like expensive and they always need work.
They are expensive.
There's a Hyundai. I have not seen no Hyundai.
Oh no, but y'all, that's what I came here to look for, was a Hyundai.
That's what I've been like keeping my eye out for. Them caddies are nice.
I really wanted a Jeep Wrangler. If y'all know me, I wanted a Jeep Wrangler for a minute. But y'all, these are so expensive.
Yeah, look at the top, girl. No,
Top of what? Wait, should we go down this way? They gotta have a Hyundai. They have. We seen
these
a
are Hyundais.
Okay. Yeah.
These Jeeps are like cute.
Here goes. Is this the type of car your mom got? Yeah, I like her car.
Except her window's way darker than that.
I mess with it. Oh, there's some Malibus. Where's the Hyundais that I'm looking
Right here.
for?
It was down there, and they're right about to be up here probably. Next to these Toyotas probably.
Oh, here goes some Malibus. It's a lot. Oh, I think it's down. We can't go down there. Here it is. Yeah. This right here is the car that I want. Oh wait, that's an Elantra in the back. This is the car that I want.
It's
It is
dusty,
so
right?
nice. Yeah, they do need to wash it. But look at the inside. Oh, y'all probably can't see the inside.
That looks fire.
Oh my gosh, I can see myself in this. That's a 2021. Yeah, this is the car that I want. But I want it in all black. All black. But we are about to head to the gym next.
Yup.
So y'all will see us in the gym.
We about to be actually at a gym with my buddies. You know, I'm not even gonna say
Anyways, see y'all when we get to the gym.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive, more than I already was. Whenever I'm at, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug in hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
$100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all my bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, cause it in the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Granted, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Who gave you deals, who gave that dust, pull up, sent you on the lick. Too many convicts, they rolled me to play in this shit. Proud about nonsense, getting old, so I'm spreading this bitch. They had to kinda like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. I'm on a PJ, lighting it up, backwood for the sticky. I'm tryna tote that Drake on London, and it's extended. They gotta stretch a nigga, how we gon' die for this shit? Yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. We some poor, high class niggas, maybe we rich. Yeah, I was at the band though, got a penthouse for a closet. It's like a shando, live on my neck, my bitch. I got king told that talk different languages. Got promethazine in my blood, Percocet. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all my bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, cause it in the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. That's by the time I call it Serena. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat though, carry the pinky. All fat though, we going on the Fiji. I'm in the loop with the boo, I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you working? I put your face in the nude, I put the puss on the shirt. After I burnt it, make go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird, niggas birthday. You a maniac, you fucking hating, yeah. How you splurting? Got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with it. Going Birkin. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all my bitch.
Hi.
What's the name for this?
Brie.
What can I get for you today?
Can I have a medium fry and a vanilla shake with no toppings?
Want a medium fry and a vanilla shake?
Yeah, with no toppings. And a
No toppings?
Yeah, and a Polynesian sauce.
Polynesian?
Yeah.
Anything else for you?
No, that's all.
Alright, so I have medium fry, vanilla milkshake, no toppings with 2 Polynesian sauce, $7.14. You're all set?
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Hey y'all. It's the sun again. It is the next day. Today is Friday the 26th. Yeah. Friday the 26th. Friday, May 26th. My cousins are coming in from Chicago, so they're on their way down here. They'll probably be here in like the next hour or so. And my aunt is cooking. Today is her birthday, so everyone is going over there later. I probably think like, well, why did you just get Chick-fil-A? I haven't ate all day. I just want a little snack. Plus, everybody's supposed to be going over there around 7. So yeah, I just need me a little something to hold me over. Plus, yeah, just need food. There's not no plus to it. I just need me some food. But yeah, I need to go to the car wash. I need to go to Target, and I need to go to TJ Maxx. I also need to go to the dollar store, because I really, really want some Sour Patch Watermelon Kids. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite candy. And I don't really eat candy like that, but those are so good.
3?
Yes. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Yo, I'm in Target. Some graphic tees right now. They're 20% off. I think I'm okay.
What's the hair and lunch?
I need some more honey pot because the one that I have now is about to run out in a minute. I'm gonna get some of this spray too. Hey y'all, so my camera had died in the store, but I wasn't in there too much longer after it had died, so I didn't really miss out on nothing. But I just want to show y'all what I got. I got this graphic tee. Yeah, just something to throw on. I got this graphic tee. I think this might go with the shoes I just got, because like the yellow, maybe, or it might go with my dunks. So let's see. Then I got the honey pot stuff. I told y'all I got the soap, and I got the spray. Then y'all, I got this like bralette. This is not something I usually wear, but I thought it was really cute. And I got black because the outfit that I don't know, the outfit idea that I have for it, I think is gonna look really cute. I'm about to head to TJ Maxx to look for a Stormy a dog bed. It's 6:21. Everybody's supposed to be going to my aunt's. I think I told y'all that earlier, at 7. Yeah, I won't. No matter what time it was gonna be at, I usually like don't be the first one to functions. I'm not gonna lie, I don't be the first one there. So I might get there around maybe like 7:30, 8 o'clock, because I was gonna stop at my granny's too. So yeah, but yeah, I just got a couple more tops, because I was just saying while I was at home, like, I need some more graphic t-shirts. I need some more t-shirts. I just need some more t-shirts. So that's what I got. I really want to go to the green and go to that Forever 21, because they be having some really cute stuff there. So I think that might be something I'm gonna do tomorrow, is go to Forever 21. But yeah, so that's the stuff I got, y'all. Like I said, I'm about to go to TJ Maxx to look for Stormy a dog bed. Yeah, I'm about to go to TJ Maxx to look for Stormy a dog bed. Then I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree. Then I'm gonna go to the car wash. It's 6:22. I need the outside clean, obviously, and then I just need it vacuumed in the inside the car just a little bit, not too much, but I'm gonna kind of put some pep in my step. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, so the dog beds. Oh, these apartments are nice that they build in. I just would not live in Uber. People don't know how to drive out here, and the traffic out here is terrible. It's too like backed. I don't know. But they didn't have nothing at Target. I mean, not at Target. At TJ Maxx. They had some dog beds, but I didn't like none. I didn't like them. Yeah, so y'all, and it's not TJ Maxx. I meant Marshalls. Same difference. They said the same stuff. I did go into the Dollar Tree, and I got what I told you I was gonna get. I got me some. Oh. Anyways, I got some Sour Patch Watermelon Kids. Y'all, I gotta be taking pictures for the thumbnail, and I forgot to do that. Should I go back to? Wait, I didn't even take. I'm gonna just have to use one of them. I needed a Target one. Anyway, but yeah, I got 3 boxes because I love some good candy. I'm at the car wash right now. Yeah. It is 6:43. I think my cousins are here. They should be here by now. Or if not here, they should be really close. Yeah, I'm just about to go ahead and get my car washed, and I'm gonna vacuum it out really quick. It's not much that really needs to be done, so I shouldn't be here for too long. Then where else was I supposed to go? I think I'm gonna go back to Target because I just need a picture of the Target sign. That's all. Tell me why I always catch the numbers 248. Like, I always catch them. I always catch 248. Like, I just catched it. I did not know. Yes, I did. I didn't know it was a hotel right here. Or did I? Anyways, I keep me on sidetrack. But I just caught 248 on the little, like, timer thingy on the camera. Why, y'all? This was a boot ago. Let me take a picture of it. But why, y'all, I went ahead and I told my granny to play the numbers 248 for me. And she was supposed to play them, but she never did, and it ended up coming out. You know how salty I was? Like, why did you not play the number?
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Hey y'all, back with the bonnet on, but I kind of I'm in a rush, kind of, sort of, yeah, I'm in a rush. So we're gonna do a quick get ready with me. I had took another shower, so yeah. But let me show y'all what I'm about to put on. Yeah, I keep saying but I'm putting on these pants, then I'm putting on this shirt. I hope that fan isn't too loud, y'all. Putting on this shirt, and it like ties in the back. Got these strings to tie in the back. Then I'm gonna put on my fours, and I gotta switch purses. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I keep saying I'm gonna go ahead. No, I didn't just say anyway, I'm tripping. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and don't mind my TV. I don't know what happened to it, but I'm about to go ahead and put my clothes on. I'm gonna come back when I'm doing my hair. I kind of want to try to do like this messy bun that I saw on TikTok. We're gonna see if I'm gonna be able to do it or not. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and put these clothes on, then I'll come back when I'm about to do my hair. So this is what the fit looks like. Then I'm gonna put on my black and yellow, yeah, put on my fours. Yeah, it's cute, simple. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and put my jewelry on. I'm gonna put my rings on. I want to get some more rings, but I want them to be like colorful rings. But I do want a couple more silver rings too, though. Okay, put my rings on. Okay, I'm back. I just put some lip gloss on. Now I'm about to put on perfume. So yeah, y'all, I got this. Y'all seen in the last video this perfume that I got. It's from Target, and it's called Sparkling Hibiscus. Is that how you say that? Hopefully I can see. I don't know if y'all can really see. But yeah, It smells really good. It's definitely a summer scent. So I'm gonna put this on. Look at her to the rescue.
So you about to hold him?
Girl.
Go to sleep,
Junior.
That's his name.
Oh, she just like your name, Jira.
My name is G.
Shakara.
Call me G.
Shapirs.
Call me G, baby.
Whatever your ghetto name
That's my
is.
purse.
Shapirs.
Damn, who gonna hurt themselves? Thank you. What's up, Carl?
One more.
Carl, what is that? What's up?
One more.
Say, nah, that's your baby mama. Say, tell him it's me texting you.
Hi.
What was it? That in his bag?
Hi.
I've been looking like this, that.
Hi.
Ain't over here.
You about to eat the camera. Eat the camera. Get that camera, Kiki. Get that camera.
Y'all.
He don't know which one to look at. I don't know who to slap.
Yeah, we made it to the family function, even though everybody not here yet. Yeah.
What's in the drink?
Yeah, she got a Tahitian treat.
That's a what?
Tahitian treat.
Huh?
Tahitian treat. What's in there? Y'all, I tell y'all, I've been waiting on this all weekend. Like, this is the type of food I was looking forward to. Y'all, we playing cards. They playing speed.
You know the order, like, between Jack, Queen, King, Ace?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, okay, you only can have 5 cards in your hand at one time.
Okay.
So it's a number game. So I'm finna flip something. Hey, boy. Flip your card over.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, oh.
Why are you yelling?
So I can like put this down.
What is it?
That.
And you can put down okay, you just put down, you can put down a 6 or a 7. You can put down a 6 or
Oh,
a
it gotta be in order.
You
Okay.
can go backwards or forward.
But wait, do you have to have all your 5 cards out your hand before you can pick up a new 5? Like, I mean,
No,
5
like you
more?
see how he got 3, he can pick
Pick
up
up
2
2?
more.
Oh,
okay.
You gotta make sure it's 5 in his hand. You can pick up 2 more cards.
Oh, what's this?
Yeah, put me in next round, because
Right,
he's tripping.
Wait, does this work?
No, let's come.
Oh boy.
Don't mess up.
Okay, like it.
Hold on.
Wait,
Hold on, real. She said.
She teed up.
Yeah, she definitely is.
Cold down here.
What you gonna make that?
I can make it anything? No, we're not going to do it.
Okay, you wanna just do the wild card?
Yeah, just... No!
Oh, both some cheating. Smack me. Smack me.
No. Oh my god.
I didn't even need it. That's not the part I really want to wear now, for real.
They got some more cards.
Yeah.
They are said.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Dang. I'm struggling. What are you sitting at there, man? Huh? Where you sitting at? Huh? my God. Wait, welcome.
So boom, welcome back, guys. Today,
No one opens their channel like that.
I do.
Okay,
It works.
look at the third cousin. Look at the
The third.
Third cousin's great.
I said third.
Third?
Yeah.